Welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on this super fun and simple spring makeup look. I created this entire look using only one brand, and a new brand at that, at least for me. I'm sure a lot of you guys know this brand, but for me personally, I've never tried their product. I was really surprised with the Sleek makeup products. I was shook at how great they were, like completely shook. I'm literally obsessed with the way that this look came out. I feel like it's perfect for spring. It's fun, it's girly. It's a perfect look for both day and night. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So I did already moisturize my face, but we cannot forget about primer. For primer today, I'm gonna be using Sleek Makeup Hydrating Primer and Moisturizing. I'm super excited to try all of these Sleek makeup products because I've never tried their brand before, so I'm so excited. So as soon as I put this on the skin, I already feel like the texture, and it does feel very, very hydrating. Ooh, and it kind of sets right away. Like, it's not oily at all. I really, really hate like primers that are very moisturizing, but yet they kind of leave your skin feeling oily. This one starts to like set in right away, which I do love. And I'm literally breaking out all around here. I've been getting like 0 to no sleep lately. Ooh, I really do love this. It literally just sets and it makes my face feel so smooth. For foundation today, I'm gonna be trying their Life Proof foundation, and this is in the shade LP06. The name of this foundation is Life Proof, so I'm so excited to try this because I mean, if it's life proof, this must be really good. Let's see. I'm just gonna be mixing that with the Life Proof foundation. This is in 09. So I just mixed the two and I'm loving it. So this foundation feels very, very light on the skin as soon as it goes on. It also feels very, very hydrating. Like, you feel the hydration as soon as you apply it. It's already covering pretty good. Like, look, it covered that nasty pimple. So perfect. We don't even have to go in with a second layer. This is blending really, really nicely, guys. It's like just melting away into the skin. Now it's time to go in and contour my face. To contour my face, I'm gonna be going in with Sleek Makeup's contour kit, and this is in the shade Dark. I'm just gonna be using this shade right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that underneath my cheekbones, on my forehead, around the jawline, and of course around the nose. This feels super creamy. Oh my god, I can't wait to blend this out. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my nose, and I just start by drawing 2 lines down the sides. So let's go ahead and blend this out. This is blending really nicely. I feel like if I had a different brush, it would blend even easier, but all of my brushes are dirty and I'm just using like whatever I have that isn't dirty, and it's not gonna keep breaking me out. But this brush is not the correct one to contour with, but whatever. But look at that, it's still blending it. Like, imagine if I was using the right brush. Washing my brushes is one of the things I dread the most. Like, I just don't like to wash them. So I mean, I know that it's important to have like clean brushes, but it's just so time consuming. Yeah, this contour kit is definitely a go. It's blending super nicely, like, and easily. This is saving me so much time right now. Next, it's time to take care of the under eyes because these bags, girl, they gotta go. For concealer, I'm just gonna be using this corrector and concealer palette, and this is in the shade 03. I'm actually gonna be mixing these 2 shades right here together because this one's a little bit too light, but this one might be a little bit too dark for the under eye area. So I'm just gonna mix both of them and create my own color. Whoa. Oh my god, this is so creamy. I am shook right now. Look at that coverage. It's like still going. And I'm just taking that up on the sides of my nose just to make my nose look a lot smaller. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that with my beauty blender. Guys, this is blending so easily. Oh my god. Like, look how easy that's just going. It's like melting right into my skin. Oh my god. I went ahead and set my face off camera, and I just used a regular loose powder for that. And I'm loving how the foundation looks with it. It looks super, super nice. And the concealer has me shook still. There's literally like no bags, like nothing. Nothing. So let's move on to eyeshadow. The first eyeshadow palette I'm gonna be using today is of course from Sleek Makeup, and this is their Cream Tea eyeshadow palette. The first shade I'm gonna be going in with is this one right here. And I'm just applying this very lightly at first, and then we're gonna go in and intensify it later. And I'm just going to apply that over the crease and the outer V. I have not seen any fallout, which is a great plus, because when I do my face first, the last thing I want is fallout, and then my base just looks ridiculous and like dirty, especially when using dark colors. Next, I'm gonna be going into their E10 palette, and oh my god, look at this palette. This is like so vibrant and has so many different color options. I love it. I'm just gonna be mixing these two colors together. Look how pretty that looks, guys. I just want the lid to be the main focus of this look. I don't really want the outer V or the crease, which I know that's normally what I do. I usually darken my outer V and my crease a whole lot, but for this look, we're gonna keep it a little bit on the simple side. Next, I'm just taking a small blending brush, and I'm just gonna be going into this shade right here. I'm just adding a little bit of that purple to the outer V and to the crease, just to tie this whole look together. Now I'm just taking a larger blending brush just to soften that up. To highlight my brow bone, I'm gonna be going into this Solstice highlighting palette, and I'm just going to use this shade right here. Oh my god, this is so pigmented. To highlight the inner corner of my eyes, I'm gonna be going in with another highlighting palette from Sleek Makeup, and this is the Distorted Dreams. I'm just gonna be going into the shade right here. Ooh, this highlight is literally the perfect one for this look. Oh, look how pretty that looks with this purple. Oh my god. And I'm just going to pack about 10 pounds of this on, just because I want the inner corner to really pop. To darken up the lower lash line, I'm gonna be going back into this palette, and I'm just gonna take this shade right here. I literally love darkening up my lower lash line. I just feel like it literally ties the whole look together. I just went ahead and added some falsies. You can completely skip that step and just leave your natural lashes with mascara, but I always have to be a little bit extra and just do the most. But that is all for the eyes, and we're just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the face. To bronze up my face, I'm gonna be using Sleek Makeup's Face Form palette, and this is in the shade Light. And I'm just gonna be going in with this shade right here. The reason I chose the light palette to bronze up my face with is just because I didn't want something too harsh. I wanted something very, very light and just bronzy, but nothing too crazy. Next up is blush, and I'm just gonna take that same palette. I'm just gonna go into this shade right here. Look how pretty this blush is. It has a little bit of shimmer, but nothing too crazy, so it'll give you like a little bit of glow, but it won't look like you're wearing a highlighter as a blush. To highlight my face, I'm gonna take Cleopatra's Kiss highlighting palette, and I'm just going to go into the shade right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and oh my god, that's pigmented, guys. So I don't even need to dip my brush in twice with this highlight. Clearly is doing the job with just once. Just gonna add a little bit of highlight to the top of my brow. For lipstick, I'm gonna take Sleek Makeup's Major Matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Love in London. Ooh, this is super creamy and super light. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I really hope you guys like this look. I'm obsessed with how simple yet kind of glam it is, and I love the fact that I did not include eyeliner because I feel like I normally would do that, and I just wanted to keep it a little bit different for this look. I'm personally obsessed with it. I feel like it's super simple. It will look good on any eye shape, and it's just a fun, colorful look for spring, and it's so soft, and you can literally do this look during the day or night. I was really surprised with the Sleek Makeup products. They all worked extremely well. They by far exceeded my expectations. All the links to all the products I used from Sleek Makeup will be down in the description box, so don't forget to check those out. especially that foundation. You guys definitely need to try it because I was shook at that the most. If you did enjoy watching this tutorial, please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and comment below any ideas on any looks or any products, any challenges, anything that you guys want me to try or show you guys next in my next video. But yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I'll see you guys on my next video.